Okay, so for trigonometry, we have the two standard triangles. These are things that I was taught when I learned trigonometry. Apparently they aren't always taught to everybody, but basically you have the 1, 1 and square root of 2 and the 45, 45, 90 triangle. This is one standard triangles. And if you want to say compute like sine of 45 degrees, you take opposite over hypotenuse, and that gets you 1 over square root of 2. Or if you want cosine 45 degrees, it's 1 over hypotenuse. Again, 1 over square root of 2. And this guy is the 30, 60, 90 triangle. This is 1, 2, square root of 3. And if you want to say compute sine of 30 degrees, then it's going to be opposite over hypotenuse, 1/2. Or if you want sine of 60 degrees, square root of 3 over 2. So if I were to make the unit circle here, just thinking about these triangles and not really thinking much else, then this is what I end up getting. So I'm just going to do the upper right-hand quadrant. And so we're going to have 0 degrees here. Let's call this 30 degrees, 45 degrees, we have 60 degrees, and here we have 90. So over here, this is my cosine and sine values for what these should be. So if I write this as 1, 0, so cosine of 0 is 1, sine of 0 is 0. Then over here, I have square root of 3 over 2, 1 over 2. So like that. Then I have this guy, which is going to be 45 degrees, so 1 over square root of 2, 1 over square root of 2, we already mentioned that. Then over here, we just sort of flip-flop these guys. It's going to be 1/2 and square root of 3 over 2. And then over here, we have 0 and 1. And you might say, okay, great, I have the unit circle, but this is wrong. All the values are right, but this is the wrong way to write it. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to blow your mind. So here we had 1, 0. Now instead of 1, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this as, say, 2 over 2. That's still 1. But I'm going to go further. I'm going to change 2 to the square root of 4. This is square root of 4 over 2. And the 0, I'm going to change to be square root of 0 over 2. Here we have square root of 3 over 2. I like that. I'll keep it there like this. Here we have 1/2. I'm going to write as square root of 1 over 2. This guy, I'm going to rationalize the denominator. So I'm going to write this as root 2 over 2. And here, I'm happy with this. Write this as square root of 1. And over here, I'm going to rewrite these guys as square root of 4 over 2 and square root of 0 over 2. All right, so now if you want to remember your unit circle, it's super easy. Cosine counts 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And so square roots all over 2. And sine counts up, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your unit circle. That's how you should remember it. And I'm done.